Problem number 6. In July of 2016, the Powerball jackpot was $250,300,000. After federal and Ohio taxes were taken out, a single winner from Ohio could either A, take a lump sum of $177,713, or B, take an annual payment of $8,543,667 at the end of each of the next 30 years. If you were the winner and your personal discount rate was 5%, what option would have the highest present value? So that's the first part of this question. Which one of these would give you the most money, given your personal discount rate? Well, the first one we know is a lump sum of $177,713. That's the one option, taking that lump sum amount. The other option is to get $8,543,667 every year for 30 years. So this is now my annuity. This becomes my payment in my TVM formula, in my BA2 Plus calculator. So if I clear out time value of money, my payments are $8,543,000. I get them for 30 years. My personal discount rate is 5%. There's no future value, so I want to compute the present value. And what I get is I get $131,337,103. Something about that, a little bit of change difference. This is taking the annuity. This is taking the lump sum. In this case, the lump sum wins out. You'll be better off if you get a larger lump sum instead of taking the annuity. Now, that's the first part of this question. The second part says, at what discount rate would you be indifferent to the two choices? So what that means is, what's the interest rate where getting this and getting this are equivalent, okay? So we're going to set this problem up again, but now this is going to be my payment, this is going to be my present value, and I'm going to solve for the interest rate that makes those two equal. And that's our indifference point. So $177,713,000 is my present value. $8,543,667 is my payment. N is 30. 0 is my future value. And I'm going to compute I over Y. Now, the key is, because I'm inputting both a present value and a payment, one of those numbers has to be negative. Again, it doesn't matter which one it is, but one of them has to be input as a negative number. So if I just put the negative sign on the present value, I'll be able to solve this problem. If both of those were put in as positive numbers, you would get an error. And when I solve for the interest rate where I'm indifferent to these two choices, it's 2.55%. So that's my interest rate where either of these options I would be happy with. But if my personal discount rate is 5%, I'm going to go with the lump sum. Personally, I'd take either of the numbers.